Welcome to Sacred Heart High School. Today we are going to study Maths for Standard 7th, that is chapter number 7, and the topic name is Joint Bar Graph. Students, in Standard 6th we have studied bar graph. In Standard 7th we are going to study joint bar graph. What is joint bar graph? A joint bar graphs is a set of bar graphs showing different sets of information but joined to each other. I repeat, a joint bar graphs is a set of bar graphs showing different sets of information but joined to each other. Students, observe. This is called a graph. This is the graph paper. Same, we have a graph book in which we are going to draw or learn graph. Yes, before starting or drawing with any of the graph, we draw 1 centimeter outline from the vertical side, from the horizontal side. The horizontal side is marked as x-axis, the vertical is marked as y-axis, and the point of intersection is marked 0. First point, to draw a bar graph, two lines at right angles to each other are drawn on graph paper. Of these lines, the horizontal one is called x-axis to what I said earlier, and vertical one y-axis. The point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is called the origin. The x-axis and y-axis form an angle of 90 degree with each other. Yes, it is shaped in 90 degree. Reading a joint bar graph. The minimum and maximum temperature in Pune for 5 days is given. Read the joint bar graph and answer the questions below. What data is shown on x-axis? What data is shown on y-axis? Which day had the highest temperature? On which day is the minimum temperature the highest? On Thursday, what is the difference between the minimum and maximum temperature? On which day is the difference between the minimum and maximum temperature the greatest? Yes. Vertical line y-axis, horizontal line x-axis. Vertical line is marked as temperature and horizontal line is marked number of weeks, that is number of days, Monday to Friday. Scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Same we are going to write on vertical line. The next is observe the graph alongside and answer the following question. In which year did both produce equal quantities of wheat? Here there are two partners, Ajay and Vijay, and they have wheat production. In year 2014, who produced more wheat? In year 2013, how much wheat did Ajay and Vijay each produce? Vertical line again, production in quintals, and horizontal line, year. Scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 quintal. Means on vertical line we are going to write table of 10. Here is one more example. Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu and Mumbai are the cities named marked on x-axis, and on y-axis they have shown us the temperature. Here different cities are shown and different temperature in different cities. One unit length equals to 5 degree Celsius. So temperature in degree Celsius. So on the vertical side, that is on y-axis, we are going to write down the table of 5. Why? Because scale we have written 1 unit equals to 5 degree Celsius. So we are going to write the table of 5. And the different joint bar graphs have shown the minimum and the maximum temperature both. The minimum and maximum temperature of Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu and Mumbai. Next we are going to see is the next question. The table below shows the number of people who had the different juices at a juice bar on Saturday and a Sunday. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. Number of days, that is Saturday and Sunday, and the different types of fruits are they. Which fruits on which day? Saturday and Sunday. Sweet line 43, 59, orange 30, 65, apple 56, 78, pineapple 40 and 67. 2 days are there, Saturdays and Sundays. So on x-axis, that is on vertical line, we are going to write number of days, that is number of fruits, how many, there are 4 types of fruits or types of fruits, and here we are going to write number of people, how many people are going to consume. Yes, here is a joint bar graph. X-axis, y-axis, fruits and number of people. Scale on y-axis 1 centimeter equals to 10 people. Plain block is shown for Saturday and the shaded one is shown for Sunday, means you can recognize the first. Sweet lime, orange, apple and pineapple. On x-axis we have written fruit, on y-axis we have written number of people. X-axis, y-axis and the point of intersection is marked 0. Next question is, the maximum number of students are in class 5, the minimum number of students are in class 10. There are 2 types of standard, 5th and 10th, and different exam was taken, and there are different marks the students in the first term and second term they have received, and the subjects are English, Hindi, Maths, Science and Social Studies. And the joint bar graph here again, first is English, then is Hindi, then is Maths, then is Science and then is Social Studies. On x-axis they have shown us the subjects, on y-axis they have shown us the marks. Green one is the first term marks and pink one are the second term marks. They have shown us clearly to which subject how much marks are allotted, and accordingly it is shown on the graph. Students, this is what we studied in joint bar graph. I hope the concept is clear. Thank you.